Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if your keeps overheating on Moto G37. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on system and click on reset option. If you want to fix this problem, so click on reset all settings and enter phone pin. Click on this icon, you will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, so restart device. Just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on system and update. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.